In this video, I'm going to discuss the project quality plan. The purpose of the project quality plan is to help ensure you deliver quality products during your project. We're going to start by looking at the table of contents for the project quality plan. The table of contents starts with a project overview. This is generally a paragraph or two that describes what the project is all about and some of the characteristics of it, and perhaps even why you're doing it. The next section is called Specifications and Standards. In this section, you're going to identify any specifications or requirements that need to be identified for the project that will help ensure that quality products are produced. They may be technical specifications or standards that you have to follow based upon different industry guidelines or even perhaps government regulations, but any kind of standards or specifications of the product in terms of its performance and how it is supposed to act could be listed here. The next section is project quality tools. This may include checklists, test scripts for information technology projects where you have to test the software code, measurement instruments such as vibration, water quality, or strength, visual inspection, which may be something like visual inspection, which may be used for checking welds on steel work, or even a structured walkthrough could be a tool used for quality. The next section is project quality assurance. The purpose of this section is to ensure that we build quality into our product rather than have to inspect for it later. This may include implementing processes and procedures, using certain types of material, and making sure you have the right expertise for the project. The next section is project quality control. The purpose of project quality control is to ensure that you don't introduce defects into your product before you release them to the customer. This is a very costly and time-consuming process, but it is necessary. Regardless of the standards that you define and the quality tools that you use and the project quality assurance measures that you take, this step is still necessary because we are human and we still make mistakes. The next section is project roles and responsibilities. In this section, we define the key roles as it relates to managing quality on the project. So it's not your general project organization chart that you would have for a project. It is specific to the individuals that are going to perform the various roles related to quality. So there may be roles such as inspectors, there may be roles such as planners, there may be different roles to ensure that quality is introduced into your processes. So whatever those roles are, those would be defined here in this section. It may also include outside auditors or internal auditors, surveillances, and inspections of any kind. The next section is the issue escalation process. The purpose of this section is to ensure that any quality issues that arise are dealt with in the appropriate manner by being escalated to the right person at the right time in the right way. This section will document the key players involved and when things should be escalated and to whom and the expected timing. The next section is the quality plan action log. This is a log that identifies some of the quality activities that have taken place during the project and what was found. It also identifies issues as well as resolution to those issues. The last section is the appendix. In the appendix, you can place samples of your testing tools such as your checklists and test scripts and so on. You can attach any processes or procedures that are necessary, anything that helps better understand the project quality plan should be placed in the appendix. A project that completes on time and on budget with poor quality is generally considered a failure. Don't let your project fail. Always develop a project quality plan, no matter how big or how small your project. Thank you. This concludes our review of the project quality plan. Thank you for listening. This is Professor Allen signing off.